everyone. This is Michelle Schneider-Mish, Chief Strategist of MarketGauge.com, and I want to talk to you a minute about the July 6-month calendar range. Basically, what we do is we reset the calendar ranges every year twice. So once would be in January and once would be in July. The one in January worked out real well because at that point, we had taken out the January highs in, say, the NASDAQ and the SPY, and of course, we saw the spectacular rally. But here we are now in July, and what's very interesting is that now that we're trading in August, a typically dull time to trade anyway. Lots of people go on vacation. Kids in certain parts of the country go back to school and others wait till the fall. What's really interesting to me right now is how that July 6-month calendar range is setting. We have it below that range in both the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. It is also below in the retail sector, which of course is one of my major concerns going forward on whether or not we can sustain this rally. And yet, interestingly enough, in the Russell 2000 and in the transportation, two other very key areas to look at, one of course being the small caps and the other being real measure of demand, we're sitting right on it as we speak. So essentially, what this does, number one, is confirm that perhaps we are at, if not already reached, the top of the trading range, at least for now. B, if we start to see more rally from here, and particularly if the Russells and the transportation get back through or above the 6-month calendar range, that could be a good boon for the market for the rest of the month in September. And on the flip side, if the SPY and the NASDAQ continue to sell off, along with the retail, which of course the consumer is definitely my major concern as we go into the second half of the year, then it's possible that transportation and the Russells will continue also lower than their 6-month calendar range. And we like to use that as a pretty good line in the sand as a reason to be more negative than positive. That doesn't mean a major market collapse, but it certainly would mean that caution at this point in time would be warranted. Hope that's helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.
Go to businessfirstam.com.